All right, so again, we just have some of the areas where the ductwork is damaged and it was improperly
Sure.
supported. Here, this is over the master bedroom and garage area back there. It
That's
looks,
the attic?
yeah, I'm in the attic here. It looks like this main beam, this ridge beam, was cut at some point and replaced with new lumber. It's supported here with one upright, and then the next upright is really too far away. So I think maybe some additional support there would be a good idea.
Which one? Show it to me.
You'd have another one of these uprights like this one.
That's called upright?
Yeah, this is an
So
upright
which one we
support.
need support?
This one right here. This one would need to be supported.
We need to put one over this one?
Well,
on top of-
yeah, it needs to go from here down to the stiff back. A framer can do that.
Maybe, do you think that happened when they were doing the roof? They replaced the roof?
It could have.
Did they do
Yeah.
anything inside the attic when they replaced the roof?
It doesn't look like it.
No, maybe it originally was built like that.
Could have
We
been.
never inspected the house.
Oh, yeah.
It was new when we bought it. Okay?
Damaged ductwork. There's a better picture.
Oh my goodness, that's terrible. You didn't find any sign of rats or anything, did you?
No.
Good.
Electrical wires in the attic that are not in a junction box that's sealed. Those need to be put in a junction box.
Is that attic?
Yeah, it's in the attic. Cold air conditioning, we'll put those temperatures in the report for you. Location photo for the cooling. Here we should have a drip leg. We should have a P-trap in this drip leg off of the air conditioner, just to prevent any contaminants from coming back inside or any vapors from the sewer system coming in.
We don't have it.
No, well, there may be one in the foundation, it's just not visible, but there should be one visible right there.
Okay.
Here, this is the air conditioning filter. It's damaged and really dirty, it needs to be replaced.
Wow.
Dishwasher. I think it has finished running, I don't hear it anymore, so I think that's okay. Here, this is the drain. This drain loop is improperly installed for the dishwasher, so we'll I'll show you. I'll
So
have a
they can
diagram.
fix it, they
Yeah,
can
there'll be
fix
a
it.
diagram for the.
As long as it's
report.
fixable, I
Yeah.
get someone.
Definitely. The bottom is missing out of the kitchen sink cabinet. The kitchen sink's water supply fixture doesn't stay in place. It kind of wants to move around on its own.
I see.
Here, there's a little bit of corrosion on a few of the water valves. I'd watch those closely to make sure we don't develop a leak.
That's in the kitchen.
That one is, yes, ma'am. The vent hood is missing the screen cover and the light fixture cover. There are several of the kitchen outlets that don't have GFCI protection, and they should. Same thing. Not enough outlets on the kitchen counter. There shouldn't be any kitchen counter space like right here in front of us that has more than 4 feet between receptacles. There's not a receptacle in this spot. Same thing. Couple of window locks that are broken. Water heater at 113, that's good. A little bit of wood rot around the door frames. Fireplace, some cracking along the side, just from typical age and movement. Fireplace needs to be cleaned. There's a crack in the bottom of the fireplace in the.
But is it working condition or not? The fact.
Yeah, I just repair these cracks in the damaged panel. See the crack there?
Yeah.
This needs to be resealed with.
That's the floor of the fireplace.
Yes, ma'am. That's looking up inside the chimney. You can see that it has quite a bit of creosote buildup from people enjoying the fireplace. It just needs a chimney sweep to clean this out. But the damper opens and closes the way it should.
Okay.
Minor cracks on interior walls. Deterioration, some mold and mildew around the.
Is that mold? Is that the bad mold?
I have no way of knowing really, but this happens in every bathroom. It's for most people, it's just taking the old sealant out and putting in new sealant.
Okay.
Drain screen and drain stoppers missing. The windows are not safety glass over the bathroom showers and tubs. This the sinks, the current building standard for electric receptacles, see this receptacle here on the wall, every sink should have a receptacle within 3 feet, and this one's too far away under the current building standards. Missing temperature indicators. We need to make sure we have temperature indicators on all the water fixtures. Stoppers missing. A little bit of corrosion around the drain in the sinks.
This is what you call corrosion?
Yeah, it's where it may have leaked in the past. And it just has a little corrosion there, so. But I'm not currently leaking. Surface damage to the sinks. That sink, this is in the master, by the way, slow to drain.
Yeah.
Probably just need those drain lines.
Slow drain.
Yeah, need to be cleaned up.
That can be cleaned, okay.
Master bathroom shower, water fixture, you can see the water spraying out of the shower head here. So that's leaking. And when I run that shower and I go outside, in the master, I can see water standing on the wall. So any water that's getting splashed up into that wall area, particularly around the window, is leaking through the wall onto the outside of the house. That needs to be repaired.
That shouldn't be like that.
No, yeah, you don't want any water to penetrate inside the wall there. Same thing on the other side. A little bit of differential movement in the sidewalk out front could be a tripping hazard. Just want to be careful there. Window locks that aren't working.
Sorry. Hello?
All right, so we should have door stops behind all of the doors to prevent drywall damage. A little bit of some areas of cosmetic damage to interior walls. We have several window lift supports that are broken. You can see a little spiral piece here in the window frame. So we have some lift supports that are damaged or broken. That's just showing which window. Again, doors that are in contact with the flooring. So a couple of the doors have missing screws in the hinges. This is the front bedroom there. So that door wants to bind. Smoke detectors that don't work. Another window with a broken riser. That's in the front bedroom. Sinks, discoloration, and the stoppers are missing. No power. Missing stopper. Lack of sealant around the water supply fixture. A little bit of water damage from time and age in the bathroom sinks, cabinets. This hallway bathroom shower, the water diverter for the shower doesn't completely stop the water and to re-divert it to the shower, so it's leaking a bit there.
So is it leaking in the bathtub?
Yeah, it's leaking in the tub, so it's not hurting anything.
In the
Hallway.
hallway.
Oven temperature was fine, right where it should be. Burned out light bulbs. There's the heater at 105.9, that's good.